Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm not going to do a complete CTF machine. I'd like to share a very small technique. So what's about it? Sometimes we need to intercept local requests. For example, in my case, I deploy DVWA application locally in Linux. For example, we can access the local host and access. We can admin and password login. And very often we need to analyze request and response between our client, like browser, and the application. And we need to launch Burp Suite. For example, we can combine or integrate with Proxy plugin and turn the proxy to Burp Suite, and then we can launch the Burp Suite, and then you will see which error you will face. Okay, and we can next start Burp Suite. And I'd like to make my Burp Suite larger. At the top, we can navigate to Proxy tab or module and enable Intercept option. Okay, now let's go back to browser, and we can, for example, you can click any link force. However, our Burp Suite failed to intercept this request. The reason is that we deployed our application locally, and by default, Burp Suite or the browser, such request or such local request will not be going through a proxy like Burp Suite. So how to do? Okay, maybe you can find many different ways, but my way can work, and I can ensure you. Okay, so how to do? We can enable or disable intercept option temporarily, and we can go to the about config and accept the risk and continue, because we need to make a proper configuration to let local requests be intercepted by proxy. Okay, so network and proxy. The second item or second configuration right now, or by default, this is the false. We need to allow hijacking localhost. Okay, and so now the value of this option has been changed to true. Now we can close the app, and then we go back to Burp Suite and enable the intercept. And now, for example, we can put everything login and continue. So now our Burp Suite has intercepted this request successfully. So not very difficult, but if you don't know this technique, this will cause you a lot of trouble. Even sometimes you go to like ChatGPT or like Gemini, sometimes you cannot get a correct way to fix this problem. All right, so with that being said, I'd like to end this video, very short, but sometimes it's very useful. Okay, just I hope. So I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.